Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County, northwestern Charlotte County, Campbell County, northeastern Pittsylvania County, southeastern Bedford County, southwestern Buckingham County, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rustburg, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alta Vista, Appomattox, Hurt, Dillwyn, Red House, Concord, and Rustburg. This includes the following location: Lynchburg Airport. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Appomattox County, Charlotte County, southeastern Campbell County, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Head Creek, or near Brookmeal, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brookmeal, Keysville, Charlotte Courthouse, Phoenix, Red House, Drake's Branch, and Pamplin City.